Nasa abroad ka ba at gamit mo pa rin ang PH number mo for your PH Bank, GCash, and other PH transactions? And then one day, bigla ka na lang hindi makareceive ng OTP mo to confirm your transaction. If you are experiencing this, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Jonah and I'm here in Canada. If you'd like to see more videos about life in Canada, hit that subscribe button and comment what video you want me to do next. So let's go back to our topic. Suddenly, I stopped receiving OTPs on my PH number. So I thought my SIM was deactivated. So I contacted Globe. Globe says it's still active and that the problem is I wasn't connected to roaming. So to resolve this issue, I'm gonna show you how to connect your phone again to roaming and receive your OTPs. So para kumonek ulit sa roaming, pumunta lang tayo sa settings and then mobile network. So kung wala ka makita ditong mobile network, pumunta ka lang sa connections and then you can see here it says mobile networks. And then, yung data roaming, kailangan mo siyang i-on. And then, i-on mo rin yan. Ito. And then, dito, wala rin nakalagay yan before. So, kung hindi ka makakonect using auto-connect, pwede kang mag-downgrade. Ilagay mo lang muna sa 3G. And then, i-check mo yung, kung gusto mo namang mamili ng, partner nila sa roaming, pwede mong i-off yung select automatically and then mamili ka, pwedeng Rogers, Telus, or Bell. So once connected ka na sa partner nila sa data roaming, makaka-receive ka na ulit ng OTP. Hope this video helps to resolve your problem.